So I hope you can hear me over all of this wind, but this is a VW T6 and it's not unlocking, so I'm pressing the button. Don't know if you can see the red light coming on there, but it's not unlocking, and I have to sometimes stand here for ages for anything to happen. It's just not going to do it, is it? And obviously I can use the manual to unlock it and lock it, but the button itself, sometimes it does it. Mainly it's not doing anything, so we're going to change the key, battery, and then see if that changes things. So all you need is a replacement battery, which is a CR2032, and I've got a Phillips and a flathead screwdriver here. The reason I've got both, I'm not sure what you need yet, is because there is a little Phillips screw inside that little hole there, but also there's a little tab, like a little opening right here where you can fit a screwdriver in, and you can just open this up, but I'm not sure if you need to undo the Phillips screw first. It doesn't look like you do. So you get that off, and then you just pull out this protective cover. I need to get the battery out of this, so how do we do that? I guess we need to remove this top section. So will that remove this bit? It won't. Let's get this one out as well. Now something's got to give now, hasn't it? Unless this circuitry just completely comes out on its own. It looks like it might be the case actually. Okay, so we've got that out, and then it's just a case of popping the old battery out, remembering which way it goes in, and get your new battery. Which way was it? Was it that way? Ah, yeah, when you do that, you kind of see the red flashing on that, so I'm hoping that is what needs to be done. I'm going to get this back in, which might be a little bit of a struggle. Clearly it is. So put the screws back in. Pop the cover back on. And then we can go and test it in the vehicle. Right, so this is the moment of truth. Yes. So we unlocked it, lock it, unlock it, lock it. Perfect. Hope this helps, guys. Thanks for watching.